Hello, my friends. How are you today? I hope you're having a good day. This is Teacher Nada, your teacher for the session. Okay, so the title of our session for today is Expressing Opinions. Okay, yeah, I guess it's an interesting topic, right? Yes, it is. Okay, perfect. So, yeah, let's just see you in the learning outcomes. Okay, so simply learning outcomes are things you're supposed to know by the end of the session. So, let me read them for you. So by the end of the session, you'll be able to, number one, express your preferences. I mean, things that you like, using I prefer to. Number two, use correct grammar to compare hobbies and activities. Three, expand vocabulary related to hobbies and opinions, like to make it grow bigger, okay? Okay, perfect. So let's just jump into the warm-up activity. Okay, so here we have three images and I have one question for you. Which one do you like more? Like basketball, swimming, or photography? Take your time and think. Okay, you love swimming more. You prefer swimming. Okay, that's awesome. Me too, by the way. Okay, that's good. So yeah, okay. Right now you just have to go and watch a video for 3 times, and when you come back, you have to answer some questions. But first, before going, I need you to read the questions. So question 1, what does Sarah prefer? 2, why does she prefer football? 3, what is Ali's favorite hobby? Okay, now you can go and watch the video for 3 times. When you come back, we will answer together. I'll wait for you.
You like swimming?
It's okay, but I prefer playing football to swimming.
Really? Why?
Because it's more exciting. What about you?
I prefer reading books. They are interesting.
I see, everyone has different hobbies.
You like swimming?
It's okay, but I prefer playing football to swimming.
Really? Why?
Because it's more exciting. What about you?
I prefer reading books. They are interesting.
I see, everyone has different hobbies.
You like swimming?
It's okay, but I prefer playing football to swimming.
Really? Why?
Because it's more exciting. What about you?
I prefer reading books. They are interesting.
I see, everyone has different hobbies.
Okay, welcome back. So yeah, question 1, what does Sarah prefer? Yes, she prefers playing football to swimming. Good. Question 2, why does she prefer football? Because it's more exciting. Great. Question 3, what's Ali's favorite hobby? Reading books. Thank you so much. Yes, you're doing amazing. Okay, now let's just see you in the vocabulary part. Okay, great. So right now let's learn more words about our topic for today. So the first word is prefer. Please repeat after me. Prefer, prefer, prefer. Yes? Yeah, and prefer means to like something. Yeah? Good. Then we have enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Exactly. Good job. We have exciting, exciting, exciting. Yeah, when something exciting, it means it has like a lot of energy. It's really good, really interesting. You love it. Yeah, it's exciting. Okay, relaxing, relaxing, relaxing. Yeah, something that makes you stay calm and quiet. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Good job. Then we have boring, boring, boring. By the way, boring is totally the opposite of interesting. So when something is really interesting and fun, the opposite is boring. You know, you don't like it. You're bored. Exactly. You have no energy for it. Then we have fun, fun, fun. Yes. Then we have challenging, challenging, challenging. When something's challenging, it means like it's not difficult, but you know, it has a little bit of difficulty. You know, it's not that easy. That's it, you know. Okay, like you have to exert some effort so you can do it. It's a bit challenging. Then you have difficult. 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 Something is really hard. The opposite is easy. 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 Good job. Then we have favorite. 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 Yeah, favorite means like you like it a lot. So for example, when I ask you what's your favorite sport, you can tell me my favorite sport is basketball, for example. Yeah, it means you love it a lot. Then you have popular. Popular. Popular, like a lot of people know about it, like it's famous, it's well known, it's popular. Yeah, so let's go for our first practice. Simply we have some sentences and words, we just need to match them together. So, first one, something you like the most. We can say it's exactly favorite. Good job. Okay, then something not fun. Yes, boring. Good job. Something that makes you feel happy. Exciting. Good job. Something you choose over another. Okay, prefer. Good job. Well, something hard to do. Challenging. Good job. Something that makes you feel calm. Relaxing. Perfect. Something famous and liked by many people. Popular. Something that's fun and makes your heart race. Yeah, fun. Well, something that needs effort to do. Difficult. Yes, thank you, thank you. Good job. You're doing amazing. Okay. So, yes, let's see you in the phonics part. Well, so simply here in the phonics part, we just need to learn more about the long E sound. It makes the sound of E. E, all right? So for example, as in the word easy, easy, or see, see, see. Also, you have the word tree, tree, tree. Good job, thank you. So let's see you in the reading part. Okay, so here in the reading, we just have a small text. We just need to read it together and answer a couple of questions. So yeah, let's read it. People enjoy different hobbies. Some prefer active hobbies like running or playing football. Others enjoy quiet activities like reading or painting. Some people like challenges, so they play chess or learn a new language. Everyone has different opinions about hobbies, and that makes life interesting. Okay, good, good. Let's try to answer the questions together. So question 1, name 2 active hobbies. Just 2. Exactly, running or playing football. Thank you. Question 2, what hobbies are quiet? Yes, reading or painting. Good job. Question 3, why do people have different hobbies? Exactly, because each one has different opinion. That's why. Okay, thank you. So let's see on the grammar part. Okay, so here in the grammar, we just need to learn how to use I prefer to talk about your hobbies and preferences. I mean, things that you like. So the rule is as the following. Use I prefer plus noun plus to plus noun. How? I will tell you. For example, I prefer football to swimming. So here I prefer, football is a noun, to, then another noun. Okay? So you put the thing that you like the most at the very beginning, then the second thing or the thing that you like less at the end, right? So another example, she prefers tea to coffee. Okay, it means she likes tea more than coffee, right? And of course we added s because it's she. Good job. Yeah. So use I prefer plus verb ing plus to plus verb ing. Okay, for example, I prefer playing football to swimming. Or he prefers reading to watching TV. Okay, great, thank you. So yeah, let's go to our second practice. Simply all you have to do is just to choose the correct answer. So yes, number 1, we prefer in the park to cycling. Running, thank you. Question 2, she prefers books to listening to music. Of course, yes, reading books. 3, I prefer chess to watching TV. Playing chess, good job. 4, do you prefer movies to reading? Watching movies, great. 5, do you prefer to music to playing games? Yes, listening to music. Number 6, I prefer tea to coffee. Yes, drinking tea to coffee. Great. 7, my brother prefers basketball to swimming. Playing basketball. Great. Okay. So yeah, let's just see you on the speaking part. Okay, so simply I just need you to speak about which hobby is the best or which hobby do you like the most. So simply have to use I prefer to in order to speak about the hobby that you like the most. And please, while speaking, try to use the grammar we learned and the vocabulary also we learned. Okay, let me ask you, what did you learn today? Great, that's awesome. Okay, so yeah, this actually marks the end of our session. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next session, inshallah, and don't forget your homework. Bye.